Here's Big James. He's figuring out how to pull a bucket up. Go hand over hand, James. Can I help you? Yeah, let's pull it this way. Here, hold down on the rope. Hold down. Here, now pull hand over hand, okay? Up comes our bucket. Okay, here, you want me to lift it over the top?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's in it?
What's in it?
And the water. There. And a leaf.
A leaf in there. Is it floating?
Yeah. Let's get in the water.
You want to put that in the water?
Swimming.
Is it swimming? Is it floating in the water?
Yeah. Let's do it again. Uh-oh, but that would not go in the water.
It didn't?
No. It doesn't go in the water. That one gets out. That one don't go in the water.
Is it floating?
No.
No? You want to pull the water back into the creek?
Yeah.
Oh, if you pour over the top, you're going to get wet. Oh.
Whoa. You're not going to get wet.
Is our friend the bucket down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
You guys found the cool bucket going over the edge.